What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the car community on YouTube. On today's episode, it's not going to be too long of a one. I'm just going to be covering 3 channels. Just been really busy, guys, so I didn't want to leave you with nothing. So we're just going to cover CarWow, Savage Garage and Novitec. They're just the 3 I'm going to be covering today. So sorry, like in the next video I will have a longer video, guys, but do stick with me. We will jump into it in a second. Again, guys, if you like this kind of stuff, just check out my other videos. It's a discussion channel. You know, it's a very transparent, no bullshit discussion channel about cars, and you know, hopefully we can get a project car in the summer as well. So guys, just get involved or bring up your comments every Sunday. Do get involved in the comments below to discuss some of the videos I cover. And yeah, we'll just jump into it today. We're going to kick it off with CarWow. So CarWow, one of their latest videos was, I think, a drag race we've all been kind of looking forward to. They drag raced the 3-litre Supra, the new 2-litre Supra, and the Mark III Supra as well. And yeah, it was a great video. I really enjoyed it to see what way things would come out. And as you could probably tell, spoiler alert if you haven't watched the video already, yeah, the 3-litre basically smashed it in all of them. The Mark III did very, very well, and the 2-litre did how we expected it to do. It was okay in the drag race, but in the rolling it wasn't great. Which one would you take out of the 3 of them? That's my question for you. Discuss them. Why would you take it? I mean, look, I've had a Supra, guys. I had one a long time ago, and I fell in love with it. And I said if I ever had the money to get one again, I would buy one. I was stupid to sell it. I'd moved to Australia at the time, and I sold it, and I shouldn't have. I'm regretting that now, big time. But yeah, for me, it's always going to be the Mark IV. As I meant to say earlier, not the Mark III. The Mark IV Supra. Is always the one it was my first proper sports car, and one car I really heavily modified. You just can't beat that 2JZ, the manual gearbox, just the modding potential. I mean, look, don't get me wrong, I like the new Supras are nice, but they just can't beat the old shaped Supras. They just look so, they just age gracefully. Like, they still look unbelievable road presence. I love them. I would pick the Mark IV all day long. It's pretty cool to see the way that they have the 2-litre out. The 2-litre is pushing 255 horsepower with 295 pounds of torque, which isn't bad. I'm presuming you could get that bumped up pretty quickly with a few mods, and the 3-litre is pushing 382 horsepower with 368 foot-pounds of torque. So, you know, they're no slouches, and with the 2-litre coming out, it'll probably just make prices a bit cheaper for anybody trying to get a new Supra. But for me, I'll always be the Mark IV 2JZ guy over even like an R34 as well. That's just me, guys. But yeah, comment below. Let me know which ones you would take and why, and yeah, let me know if you thought of the race, because yeah, it was pretty interesting. Just a great way to see, you know, how well the Mark IV stacked up against the other 2 as well. Next up, it's going to be Savage Garage. A reason why I cover this is 2 reasons. One is the unbelievable 992 that they had on there was just ridiculous. And the second one, obviously, is their new cleaning range that they've brought out, which I was quite surprised. So yeah, in the video, just the 992 that was on there was a soft top, and it was green, and the wheels on this car, I never knew this. I knew there were HREs, right? But I never knew the price of HREs. And the wheels that are on that Porsche, they're P107 SC, they're $225,000 a wheel, and that's without tires. So, you know, you're looking at just over 10 grand for that set of wheels on that Porsche, and then adding your tires, and you're probably looking around nearly 15k for that set just on that Porsche. But then Randy was driving and he was doing 0 to 60 times. I would love to get a V-Box, actually, if I ever get the chance, and maybe do some 0 to 60s and some shitty slow cars over here. That would be actually a lot of fun. See what small engine cars are getting 0 to 60. Something I might look into. So yeah, he did not 60, and I think the quickest he got was 2.94 seconds. But it's so quick, like I'd love to get one of these cars if I had the money. Here's a quick clip for you just showing you how fast it is. And there you have it, guys. What do you think? Would you get a 992 if you had the money? I definitely would, especially with those HREs on it. I love them. I see why a lot of people buy HRE wheels now. Sure, the ones that were on TJ Hunt's at Aventador, they were like $2,450 a piece as well. But my God, they are really nice. They're such a nice wheel. I'm still even, like, the wheels I want to get for the project car in the summer are, for a full set, are around $2,000 or $2,500, and I just can't see me putting a $2,500 worth of a wheel on a car that's worth maybe anywhere between $1,500 to $2,500 myself. So I've kind of been planning out what to do when I get a project car. So yeah, it's crazy the amount of money, you know, wheels cost now, especially the high-end ones. But yeah, check out the video, guys. Pretty cool. Such a gorgeous Porsche, and there was a Mustang in there as well. Actually, it was pretty sweet. And also, guys, they brought out a new range, cleaning range, like tires, spray foam, like loads of detailing range. And they say, I haven't looked at the prices yet, but I think the shampoo was like $15. So he said you get around, or maybe thereabouts, $15, and you get around 16, 17 washed out of it, which is not bad for shampoo. I must go look at their range. You wonder where they're getting their range from, or who, like, are they rebranding somebody else's range and selling it on? I'm just curious, because you know, when YouTubers like this come out and they bring out a range of detailing stuff, you want to know where they're getting it from, or are they just copying somebody else and slapping their own thing on it? So if anybody else goes off and buys their range, do let me know if you go use it, because I'd be interested, but not sure if I'd buy it myself. I don't know if I'd try it. I might nearly stick with what you know. But yeah, fair dues to them for bringing out their own range. Wonder if it'll do well, and you never know. I might end up buying it one day and checking it out. But just thought I'd bring it up, guys. Let me know if you try out their range, their detailing range below. Also, so last update on the list, guys, is just going to be Novitec. Novitec, if you don't know, if you don't follow their channel, they do a Supercars diary. It's fucking brilliant. I love it. Like, they do such good cinematography shots on all the cars. On their latest one, they've covered a matte red A12 Novitec, and it's the only one in Africa that's there. So they're down in South Africa at the moment. It just is ridiculous. It's the matte red in it is stunning. There is, I think, a full carbon exposed one in Europe. I think. I remember I covered it before, but this one is, the matte red is beautiful. I love the wheels in it. The Novitec kit on an A12 just brings the A12 to a whole nother level that I absolutely fucking love. It's definitely up there with, like, if I was getting a Ferrari and I had the money, SF90 and an A12 Novitec would be definitely my top two Ferraris out there, and they sound incredible. One of the best sounding cars out there. Here's a quick clip for you guys just to show you how insanely the sound of the exhaust system on this A12 is.
The thing about this car is the excessive noise. How it does it. I mean, it's loud as it is, but that Novitec pipe.
chat about that, eh? Fuck me, that is just orgasmic. I just imagine, like, you know, just that thing screaming through a city would be ridiculous. You get the amount of looks you get in that car with that exhaust system, and it's just stunning. It's around 18 minutes long, but it's a very, very good watch. Just pure. Listening to the downshifts on that car when he's driving it is just insane. I mean, the Novitec really do have some ridiculous products that they do in their cars. They have the 720 Novitec kit, which is one of my favourite kits ever out there. But the A12, they just kill it every time. And these supercar diaries they really do show the quality of work that they have, and there's such a great video to watch. So yeah, guys, I highly recommend checking out the video if you have a bit of time in your hands, and let me know what you think of the A12 Superfast and the Novitec kit on it. It'd be great to hear your thoughts and opinions below. So that is just it for today, guys. Those three just covered. I will have a longer video out tomorrow. Again, thanks a million for everybody that's subscribed. I hope you'll smash that subscribe button and get involved. Comment below. As I said, I bring up your comments every Sunday. And until the next episode, we shall see you then. Stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.